In this example, we're going to show you how to use CrunchIt to make a box plot. Recall that a box plot is a summary, a visual summary of the spread when you use the median to calculate the central tendency. Okay. We're going to look at this example for the data. This data shows 20 randomly chosen workers and their travel times to work in New York State. To find the median, we have to put the numbers in order. They are put in order for this example using a stem plot. It's a very convenient way to organize your data. And then to find the median by hand, you just look at the middle number. We have even n, so we have to look at the middle two numbers and take their average. And to find the other numbers for the 5-number summary, you have to find the Q1, the Q3, the minimum, and the maximum. You can do all this by hand and sketch the box plot by hand as well, but it's useful to figure out how to use software to do the same thing. Click on CrunchIt, and up comes the CrunchIt window with the data already loaded. I see the minutes as a header row with the number in front of it, and the actual data points are all numbered with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. To get a box plot, I go to Graphics, and I want a box plot, so I'm right here. So I click on Box Plot, and then I get a dialog box. And the data is minutes, so I select that. That's not much else to do. Click on OK. And well, here we are. Here is our box plot. And you can see the median here is around 22. It's supposed to be 22.5. Here's the min. Here's the max. And this is your number for Q1 is at the bottom of the box. The top of the box is Q3. And the very top line here will be the maximum. Right? So this shows a spread. And from looking at this, you can tell that there are a lot more data points spread out on top of the median rather than at the bottom. So it's skewed right. So you can tell from looking at the box plot that your data is skewed right. The object of this exercise is not just to draw your box plot, but to be able to look at it and see what kind of information you get about the spread of the data. So if you go back and look at the numbers themselves, you will find that they are skewed to the right. You have a lot of people with a wide range of travel times above the median.